Check out this new 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the LT Preferred Equipment Group, GVWR, 11,500 pounds, 5216 kilograms, with single rear wheels, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, brownstone metallic, jet black, cloth seat trim, Chevrolet Malink audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touch navigation with FM/3 system, alternator, dual, 150 amp each, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically control LED, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington. State requirements: LT Convenience Package, tires, LT 265/70R18E all-terrain, black wall and the Z71 package, off-road. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.